Adjectives are fascinating little words that play a crucial role in our language. They describe or modify nouns, giving us a clearer picture of what we're talking about. Think of them as the colorful brushstrokes in a painting, adding depth and detail that make the whole image come alive. For instance, when I say the tall building, the word tall doesn't just sit there. It tells you something specific about the building's height. Without that adjective, you might just see a generic structure, but with tall, you can visualize something that reaches high into the sky. It's all about enhancing our understanding. Let's dive a bit deeper into how we use adjectives. They help us convey not just what something is, but also its qualities. Imagine you're at a flower shop. If I ask for 3 white flowers, both 3 and white are adjectives modifying the noun flowers. 3 tells you the quantity, while white describes the color. Without those adjectives, you'd be left wondering how many flowers to grab and what they should look like. Now consider this. If I were to say the small round table, the adjectives small and round give you a vivid image of the table's size and shape. You can almost picture it in your mind, can't you? Adjectives can also convey emotions. For example, the joyful child paints a picture of happiness, while the angry storm evokes a sense of chaos and intensity. Let's explore a few more examples. If I say the delicious chocolate cake, the adjective delicious not only describes the cake but also stirs up feelings of anticipation and desire. You can almost taste it. Similarly, the bright red apple uses bright and red to give you a clear image of the apple's color and vibrancy, making it more appealing. Adjectives can also help us compare things. If I say the fastest runner, the adjective fastest tells you that this runner is quicker than all the others. It's a simple yet powerful way to convey information. In writing, using adjectives effectively can transform dull sentences into engaging ones. Instead of saying, the car drove down the street, you could say, the sleek black car sped down the narrow street. Now, you have a much more vivid image and it draws the reader in. Remember, the key to using adjectives is moderation. Too many can clutter your writing and confuse your message. But when used thoughtfully, they can enhance your descriptions and make your communication more effective. So, the next time you're writing or speaking, think about the adjectives you can use. They're not just extra words, they're essential tools that help you express yourself more clearly and vividly. Whether you're describing a scene, a person, or an object, adjectives are your allies in creating a more engaging narrative.